Hello everyone, this is Kitchen Discovery. Join me as I make a special fried rice. In this recipe, there is no additional oil. What really happened is that in my house we are doing Operation Know Your Food, so we don't buy oil, we prepare our own oil. If you want me to prepare it, let me know in the comment section. I will teach you step by step on how you can prepare your own oil so that you know what goes into your tummy. And in this fried rice, we don't have oil. I don't have time to prepare, so I know I have to come up with this idea of preparing fried rice without additional oil, and it really came out very nice, very nice. I became to wonder why we were even wasting our oil preparing this. It's really very tasty, I can tell you. Try it, you will really enjoy it. You can choose to use chicken or any protein of your choice for this same recipe. If today is your first time clicking on this channel, I really welcome you specially. So please don't hesitate to subscribe with us, turn the notification button to know when we are posting new videos. God bless you as you do that. So I have to boil the meat on a very low heat, with plenty water. I boil it for a very long time to be able to get the oil from the beef. So I use the oil from the beef to fry the beef. I use it to stir fry the vegetables, and that is it. What else are we needing the oil for? Try to watch to the end. There's a lot of things you need to know so you'll be able to prepare your own perfectly. And if you have any question concerning this recipe or anything concerning my channel, don't hesitate to put it down on the comment section. I will definitely come around and answer every one of you. Thank you. That's basically it. The fried rice is ready. No additional oil. Go and try it. You definitely enjoy it. Oil is not the best in your body, especially if you're my age or close to my age. Please, let's watch what we eat. See you on my next video. Bye.